How to check in with Air China. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browser and just go ahead and search for Air China directly. So it should be the first option over here. So you're gonna have to press on that to enter their official website. You can go ahead and check in here. You're gonna have to choose your country as well and your preferences. Then just go ahead and save if you want. But the online check-in, you go ahead and scroll a bit down until you find this. So you're gonna expect to have your details, of course. So go to the online check-in section and then just go ahead and put in your ticket number or your passport number. So make sure you have those ready as well. Then put in your passenger's first name and last name, the one that is assigned to that specific ticket number or passport number, and put in the flight number as well. So once you have put in those details, just go ahead and continue and proceed with the check-in procedure. You can go ahead and choose your seat and you can go ahead and download your boarding pass, but that is pretty much how you check in Air China. It's that simple. Just make sure you have your details ready since you're gonna have to put in most of those. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.